Hi everyone, my name is Shurong. My major is animal science.
My name is Yang. My major is statistics. Our team name is Magic Machine. Today we're going to talk about 5 things. Firstly is our business idea, which include our product and service. Secondly, we're going to describe the market we aim at, talking about our opportunity and competitions. And then we will talk about our intellectual properties. After that, we will describe deeply about our business model. And then we will describe our teams and our strengths.
I'm here to talk about our business idea. We know that there is always a consistent need for a good composter. Almost 2 trillion pounds of animal waste are produced per year nationally. An increasing amount of this animal waste is produced by intense livestock operations, which are really more factories than farms, and common animal waste treatment practices used by these livestock factories are often inadequate to protect our drinking water and environment, and posing one of America's serious pollution problems. And we can see from this map that the highest 20% of animal waste stays among the central part of the United States. These areas are highly potentially polluted and always need a good composter to dispose the animal waste in a sufficient and sustainable way. The USDA estimates that more than 335 million tons of dry matter waste is produced annually on farm in the United States, representing almost a third of the total municipal and industrial waste produced every year. And what's more, animal feeding operations annually produce about 100 times more manure than the amount of human sewage. There are mountains of manure produced every year in the United States. For example, one dairy farm with 2,500 cows produce as much waste as a city with around 411,000 residents. Besides animal manure, animal mortality is another issue for the environment. For example, poultry like layers, turkeys, and broilers, they can produce total mortality around 1.2 billion pounds every year. So it is very urgent for us to deal with the animal waste issue. There are several reasons for the poultry waste management. And firstly, it can improve the birds' environment and performance, and it can also improve the working conditions for the caretakers. It can meet the regulations of the government, and it is very sustainable for the environment. Besides, it is the right thing for us to do. Dead bird disposal is an important job, and we want to find a simple, efficient system, low cost, biosecure, and environmental friendly way to deal with the dead bird. And there's 4 ways we can do it: barrier, incineration, composting, and rendering. But which one is the best way to do it? We can see that barrier is inexpensive and it is easy, but it requires a lot of land to bury the dead bird, so it is not a long-term way to do it. As for incineration, it is very slow and smoldering, and it can cause serious air pollution for the environment. Also, it's very expensive, so incineration is not a good option for us to deal with animal waste. As for composting, besides producing a valuable product, it is recycling. It's one of the best ways we can reduce the amount of waste animal produced on the farm. Besides that, by composting, we can help keep down the cost of animal waste management on the farm.
Our product is an environmental friendly, economical, efficient, and sustainable composter. We basically use black soldier fly larvae to decompose those waste from farmers. Our product including 2 parts. The first part is a tank that will let the black soldier fly larvae to decompose those waste. And the second part is a device that can recycling the black soldier fly larva population. so that a farmer just need to buy one of this device and they can have the black soldier fly lava population recycling itself. So for our product, the farmers only need to put those waste, marine or dead animals into the tank, and they can get a good compost and black soldier fly lava as product. The most important part for our product is that we use black soldier fly lava as our accelerator to decompose, because it is firstly environmental friendly and it is a non-disease spreading creature, and it's very sustainable since we have the recycling device for the population, and finally it is very cheap. Besides our product, we also have several services. Firstly, we will provide initial black soldier fly lava population to the farmers, and if they fail to build up the population, we will help them to again build up their own populations. Secondly, we will buy back those black soldier fly lava from the farmers. For our market, we are targeting at specifically the farmers, and for the first years we will targeting at the PA farmers, which are around 60,000, and their marine and dead animals are tremendous annually, so we believe this is a really good market for us to enter. We have several competitors in the market already. They are aiming at household or at farmers, but we are different from them. Firstly, we target specifically at farmers, and then we got a cashback program which ensured our customers will get real cash for using our products. Thirdly, we use black soldier fly lava for the compost. And finally, we do it very fast. If you use enough amount of black soldier fly lava, it only requires 3 to 5 days to decompose all the waste you have. For the intellectual properties, we are largely dependent on the research and designs before our business operations, and we will keep our copyright of the device for 15 years. For our business model is very easy. We will sell our product to the farmers, and the farmers could produce out black soldier fly lava, and they could sell back those lavas to us, and we will resell those lavas to the specific customers. Our main cost will be the cost of production and the cost of advertisement, and the money we should pay the farmers to buy their black soldier fly lavas, and our profit will be our product sales and black soldier fly lava sales. As you can see, we have our 3-year plan for our business. For the first year, from January to June, we will do our lab research to finalize our product, and in the meantime, from April to June, we will do our early market research. From the October of the first year, we'll start our business operation, and for the entire second year, we'll continue our operation, and in the beginning of the third year, we will start our lab research stage 2 and the construction stage 1, and we believe that we will finish those stages in June of the third year, and starting from July we will start again our business operation and expansions. This is an estimated payback period for farmers. Those numbers we are getting from our early research and the market of the black soldier fly lava, and we set up our price for the device is $3,000, and the payback period will be 0.8333 years, which is roughly 10 months. Here is our financial analysis, and you can see from the graph that for the first 2 years we are in a relatively low stage of our business, and the third year will be a boom, and we can make about $40 million, and the fourth year is just a continuous of the third year. The financial analysis is way beyond our expectations, so we make a sensitive analysis with 70 decrease in machine price and 50% decrease in lava price. As you can see in the graph, the shape of the line doesn't change much. It still is that the first 2 years is relatively low stage and the third year will be a boom, but the total value of our business was reduced by 50%. This shows that our business is still doable even if the price is dropped largely. We believe that teams are crucial to our business, and the following 4 parts of our team are required for us to start our business. The first is the research and design group, which will provide us our product, and the second is the market group, which will help us to sell our products, and third is the tech support group, which will help our customers to know how to use our product. The fourth one is the management group. They will ensure us for other groups to work together.